Look at all those successful people. Look at the guy who's a scientist who found a cure. Look, this person created a brand and made millions. This person donated his fortune to help the poor all before he was old. Now look at me, I'm already 60 years old and I haven't been successful. How would I love to invent something before someone would? I would love to help those less fortunate if I had a lot of money. Hey, kid, stop that noise. I'm just having fun. Go play somewhere else. Why are you so grumpy? Are you upset about something? Are you having a bad day? Huh? I guess I'm upset. When you get to my age, you regret the times when you were wasting time. But you have so much time. There is more. No, when you get my age, you worry that there is less time to accomplish things. But there is a lot of time. Look, in 1 second, there are a million milliseconds. That's still not a lot of time. You wouldn't understand because you have free time. Hey kid, why are you walking alone to school? How old are you? I'm 5. You look 7. I'm going to take you to the police to find your parents. I'm afraid to leave you alone. But I don't have parents. But you are going to school. You see, I'm what you call a prodigy, a very smart kid. My mental age is 15 at 5 years old. Are you sure you are saying the truth? The closest to the truth that I'm allowed to speak of. Let's take you to an adult. You don't understand. I live by myself and I work for a biomedical company. I also published countless novels by the pseudonym Smarty Pants Joe. There are many child prodigies here. Read about it. So he took out an iPad to show a video. Okay, I think I understand. I don't know. Wait, kid, can you teach me? How can I get a job in your company? Can you teach me to write a novel? I want my pseudonym to say Waka Ranger. Sure, I can really help you with that. Yeah, but you'll have to put a lot of work. Oh, so do you have a family? Only my brother, and he has a kid. I want you to reach out to your brother and help take care of the kid. But I'm so busy. You should not be there. There is enough time in the day to finish everything. You should have time to work with your family. Yeah, but if I was as smart as you see, I'm not a prodigy. My mental age is still only 15, and I already did everything that I wanted to accomplish. I cured a disease and I made inventions. That is why I play all the time and have fun. If you still don't believe me, um, I will change my I will change my age. He changed shapes. Whoa, how can you transform? Please teach me. It is easy. You can accomplish goals every day and you'll be finished in the afternoon and spend the rest of your day with your family playing and relaxing and taking care of each other. I really want to write a book. Can you teach me? Also, how did you transform? Okay, you write a little chapter in the morning and you publish it on social media. That could be your short term goal. Did you know that short term goals are more important than long term goals? No, I thought short term goals were a bunch of hooey. No, the shorter the goal, the more important it is. Suddenly there was a girl that walked by and she was wearing a backpack and she came to approach on the same side of the street. Now the boy stepped behind Bob and started growing tall and taller, and then his face was getting wrinkles all over his face. When he stepped out, he was turned into an old man. Bob looked pale and his eyes wide, but he smiled. I kind of knew it all along. I knew you were an alien. Quiet, let's go talk behind those trees. You see, it's actually a hologram. I'm not an alien. Why are you hiding from that girl? I wasn't hiding. I just didn't want her to see me. Did you ever see the workings of assembling proteins inside of a cell? Yes. It seems like a lot can be accomplished in a very short time.